Changing your Toyota key fob battery is generally a simple process. Most fobs use a 3-volt lithium coin cell battery, commonly the CR2032. Older models might use CR620. You'll need a small screwdriver or pry tool to open the fob case. Carefully pry open the case, usually at a designated slot near the key ring. Once open, remove the old battery, noting the correct polarity with the positive side up. Insert the new battery with the same polarity and snap the case back together. Ensure the rubber gasket is properly seated to maintain waterproofing. In some cases, reprogramming may be needed. Check your owner's manual or contact a dealership if the fob doesn't work after the battery change. If you're not comfortable doing it yourself, a dealership can handle the replacement, but DIY is often quicker and cheaper. DIY failures needing dealership repair cost $100–200. To avoid issues, use OEM batteries to ensure proper signal strength. Always double-check the battery type specified for your Toyota model. Extreme temperatures can shorten battery life, so avoid leaving your key fob in direct sunlight or freezing conditions. Be mindful of electrostatic discharge when handling the circuit board. Toyota is increasingly integrating smartphone connectivity for digital keys, reducing reliance on physical key fobs and batteries. By 2030, 50% of Toyota vehicles may feature fully digital keys. However, if you own an older vehicle, expect to continue changing your key fob battery. A common mistake is damaging the circuit board with excessive force when opening the fob. If unsure, seek professional service to avoid costly repairs. Battery sales for car keys are expected to drop by 5% year over year as of 2025.